Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe so that you can get more of my videos, okay? So today I'm going to teach you how you can run two WhatsApp accounts on your Android phone, okay? So you have two WhatsApp accounts on the same phone. All right, so my phone, I already have a WhatsApp account here. So I want a new WhatsApp account on the same phone, okay? So I'll just scroll down to Play Store. I just have to go to Play Store on my phone and search for Pearl Space. It's an app. So here is it. I just have to click on it. Because I have downloaded it, it is installed here. So I have to go to my home button. As you can see, this is this Pearl Space app. To load. Okay, just have to wait for the app to load. And as you can see, there is WhatsApp here, there is Messenger, there is Facebook. So you can create another Facebook account if you want to. So I just have to click on WhatsApp here. Exactly. So just click on agree and continue. Okay. Then I can if you have another number, you can use it to create another WhatsApp account. Okay, so you'll be using two different WhatsApp accounts on the same Android phone. I hope this was helpful. Please do subscribe for more videos. Okay, thank you.